In 2024, release wave 2, you can now conditionally apply configuration templates to the data that you synchronize between Dataverse and Business Central. My name is Ivan Koletic, and I'm a product manager in Business Central engineering team. And I want you to join me for the next couple of minutes to see this new capability in action. So businesses often enrich data that's synchronized between Business Central and Dataverse by using templates to make data ready to use either in Business Central or in Dataverse. Having this configurable, rule-based and automated way to select the templates to apply when you synchronize data and when you create new records means that you don't have to extend your integration solutions with such rules, and the integration between Business Central and Dataverse and Dynamics 365 apps is faster and more cost-effective. So let's go ahead and see what auto-apply templates in integration with Dataverse looks like in action. So the place where we do apply these configuration templates to be applied when the data is synchronized is in the integration table mappings. So let's go and open the integration table mappings and see how it looks like. We'll work with a customer. I've set up a couple of templates so that once the new customers are created from Dataverse, they get applied different templates based on the country code that the customer has. The first thing that you may notice right now is when you have only one template, the name of the template to be applied is displayed in the integration table mappings. But when you have more templates and they have some conditions or some rules on how these templates are applied, you will see the number of templates. So let's have a look at this. As you can see, I have a sort of a default template that gets applied when a country code is set to US or it's blank. I have the EU template that gets applied when any of these EU countries are added. And this is the third template that I'll apply for all other countries. I'll just reuse a filter that I have in here to set this up. So the foreign configuration template code is going to be applied when a country region code is different from all of these, and it's different from US. Given this is a US company, so anything that's not EU or that's not US should actually get this template. Now, another thing that you can actually do in here is you can actually set the priority of evaluation. So once the new record gets created, we will go one by one and see which of these conditions are met. And the priority field just shows the order of evaluation of this, right? So what I'll do, I'll set this one to be 3 and this one to be 2, which means that the default is going to be evaluated first, then we'll look at the foreign, and then if the record does not satisfy the conditions that we set in the filter in here, then it's going to evaluate the EU one, right? So to see how this actually works in action, I have a account that I've this Contoso BCLE, and as you can see, it has the Australian country region code. So when I go ahead and create in Business Central, the thing that I want to see is that that foreign template gets applied, and that foreign template, I forgot to show you, actually contains a customer posting group foreign, right? As opposed to the other ones that get posted to other receivables account. So let's create this in Business Central and see what the effect of this is. See if it's finished. Okay, it has finished, and let's see the result of that. So this was a completely new customer that we have taken from Dataverse and put it in Business Central. Let's have a look at this customer. So I have Contoso BCLE, which is a new customer that we synchronized. And if we look at the customer posting group, you can see it is foreign, right? Just to show you once more, you can actually see that configuration template actually had the customer posting group foreign set, and it got applied after meeting those conditions that we've specified. Okay, so what we saw in the demo is that there are new configuration template setup pages that you can access through a drill down from the integration table mapping. You can set a sort of conditions by defining a filter that needs to be satisfied in order for template to be applied, and you can also define the evaluation priorities or the order in which different template filters are going to be evaluated before a specific template is applied. What I've shown you in the short demo was the application of the table configuration template, which means this is a template that gets applied once the Dataverse record gets created in Business Central. But there's also integration table configuration templates which apply for when Business Central record is actually created in Dataverse. So it works in both directions. And that was it. So I hope you really enjoyed the video, and I also hope that you go ahead and try out this new feature. For additional material, check out the description below the video, and for additional links, they're also in the caption below the video. Thank you.